picture, stupid. We gotta open it. Just open it. Oh no. Oh. Lego Friends? Is it Lego Friends? It is Lego Friends. Oh. Boy, I just said that. Open it. I can do it. So big. Someone's going to die. Daddy,
Watch out, dude. You got a sharp edge, boy.
somebody's going to die tonight.
Be careful.
John,
Really? It's good. We're
John,
good.
it's good. What? You never needed the scissors in the first place. It's so big. Somebody's going to die tonight. Right? Someone's what does it say? What does it say? Tonight. Is this supposed to be a letter opener? Got it. Hey!
That's Frontal Mike?
Yes!
Oh my gosh! What is it? Legos again?
Lego
Oh, it's in the bed. I gotta be kidding me.
Lego Friends.
Is that what you like?
Now we
You like that?
Now we. Okay. You're the star today.
Filled
Sparkle,
with
shimmer, glitter, shine. You dazzle everywhere you go. Happy birthday. Love always, Uncle Mike. Thank you. What?
You like it? It's beautiful, huh? You never had that. Let me see.
Thank you,
Wow.
Uncle Mike.
I wish when my birthday I had somebody give